with Brother at the launch of the new Aveneer.
LindaZ, we are in the room right now doing an amazing video with...
Hi, Angela.
Hi, Angela. We're so excited.
Look at this hoop. We can like embroider our whole heads.
I cannot believe this. And look at this space underneath here, too.
I love it. 14.1 inches, you guys. This is large space.
Yeah.
More. That's like 18 and...
It did, look at 11. It did my entire sleeve.
Are you
Look
kidding?
at that.
That's in your bundle.
That is amazing.
I love
Not
it.
me, the sleeve.
The sleeve is.
So we are here in New Jersey with Brother.
We are.
For the launch of the Aveneer.
Yes.
Limited edition is coming out first, and then we'll have the regular coming, and we cannot wait.
We cannot wait.
Yeah.
There are so many cool features, and we got a taste of it last night.
We did.
And we cannot wait to let you guys see a little bit about these machines. So should we let Angela and Cindy take over? And
But just remember, we have some Brother cocktail parties coming
Oh,
up.
yeah, we've been doing that a lot.
And we also have Jerry Granata coming, and he's going to be doing a big launch on these as well. And just look at LindaZ.com, and you'll see our webpage and sign up today.
that is great.
Yeah.
That sounds fun. I'm there. Okay, so I want to know how many of your fans have taken photos, they're stuck on their phone, like you don't ever do anything with them, but you can go to Instagram, scroll through the filters. Well, now you can scroll through the filters and embroider it. Cindy, show them this cool feature.
On the machine.
Yeah,
Yes,
on the machine.
on the machine. Don't have to go into software. Is that not just the bomb?
And I love the name, too.
Yes, we call it picture play because we don't really want them to think of it as photo stitch traditionally, and it's not work, okay? So we have it set up here. We've already taken it to the end, and I'm going to tell you how I got here. I have two different photos already done down here. Same photo, done in two different ways. This is your original, what you're kind of used to. This is one of the more artistic versions of it. So let's back up and see what those filters are. And that's what they are, they're filters. So original is what you're used to for a photo stitch. Then if you slide to the right, you have all kinds of options. You have pencil sketch, you have watercolor, you have neon signs, you can be your own Picasso, because I believe down here we even have stained glass, we have geo art, we have crayons. It's kind of fun, it's just a blast. Then you can also choose, let me back up here. We're kind of doing this in reverse. You can make it whatever size you want it to be. You can make it up to that big 18¼ by 11.58 inches hoop. You can do 10 5/8 by 10 5/8, whatever you want. We do suggest the Brother magnetic hoops because they're going to hold it super tight and they will give you your best results, okay? You can remove your background. You can crop it if you want to. You just simply pull in the corners, and there are different, let's see if it's going to like my finger here. There we go.
Because you're cold in here.
You can pick a different cropping style, whatever you want to do. The world's your oyster on this one, and you can pick all of your different hoops. So, Angela, you want to tell them more about buttonholes over there?
Okay, so let's switch to the sewing side for a minute. You know I love sewing garments. And I would love to know from your fans how many love to sew buttons, because buttonholes. I'm pretty sure, I see, they both go no. Well, with the Luminaire, we had this great foot. Remember this foot, which I actually could embroider on shears and knits because it prevented it from stretching. Well, see what else is new on there? All of the laser. So, projection for placement. There's my buttonhole. you've got this whole section here that you can use the stylus to adjust your buttonhole right from here, and you see what it looks like. See these extra lines right here? I'll turn this sideways. This line, you can move to the right or left. So this is where you'd put the edge of your fabric. There's your button. If I put this down, this is where you would place your button. You can also change the settings on the screen. Let's just say you want to go to a really small button. Look what happens. The button actually goes smaller and your placement line moves. So you can change your mind and see what it's going to look like right on the fabric. So look at the screen over here. You have all of these adjustments to put your buttonholes up and down, sideways. You have spacing, how you want them. The cloth edge you can move, the distance from the edge. All of these can change. And then when you're over here, again, you have a second option to change them right from here. So that projector just really
Amazing.
went even better
Yeah.
on this one.
Absolutely. And it's bigger, everything's bigger,
It's
right?
bigger, but you know, you can sew buttonholes nonstop. They're all going to line up. You don't have to worry about it. I think we should have a buttonhole
Yeah.
contest.
And then for quilters, they have the projection in the back and in the front now, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the side.
And the side.
Yes.
It's so amazing.
I'm going to show you
For
that in the
base.
next one.
Oh,
but
good.
speaking
Okay.
of projector, because it's
Yeah.
so big now, 5x8.
Right.
Cindy, why don't you send him some ice cream?
Let's show you more about
do that.
projection over
Let's
here in
show us
embroidery.
more, please.
Because there was projection, which was the first in the industry, but now there's projection. I mean, it's huge. So we no longer have to go over to embroidery. You're not having to go back and forth. You can do all of your edits and then do it while you're in projection mode. So I'm simply going to turn on my projector, and it's going to ask me a question, asking me if I want to proceed. And once it does that, I'm going to say okay, and looky here, girls. I mean, how huge is that?
Is beautiful.
Is that not amazing?
It's amazing.
All right, your tools are down here on the bed of your machine. They're hidden right now. We're going to wake them up. They're going to come up, and it toggles through the different modes. So if I want to rotate my design, I simply toggle through it. There's my rotate tool. I can rotate that bad boy 10 degrees, and I'm going to see it down there in real time instead of having to toggle back and forth between the screen and the bed of the machine. You can change your tool location over. If you don't like it on the left, you can change it to the right. You can move it down to the bottom. And there you go, you can hide them too. So let's hide it. The other thing that you can do with our projection mode now is in our settings on your screen, you can come in and you can change your background color to one of 16 colors.
So if you have a blue fabric, then you would want to maybe a yellow
If you-
or an orange
Yes,
color.
and you can,
Show up.
or you want to audition your colors on whatever you're wearing, whatever you're going to put it on.
Yeah,
You
very
can change
nice.
it to that color so that you can project and see if it's going to look. But if it's not showing up well on one of your colors that you're doing, pick a different color and try it out.
Very nice.
So that is so much fun.
Very exciting.
Now, Angela's going to talk to you more about the stitch regulator, which we are so
love
excited about. It's going to make us
I
so
know.
smart with it since
We
it's an
cannot
intelligent
wait.
one.
Well, I love doing free motion, like just thread painting. I'm not a very good quilter, but I think I'm going to be now. So,
Embellishment also.
embellishments, yes. So check this out. Remember the move it foot? That still comes with it. So remember this plugged in the back of the machine? Well, that's what this foot does. And so you have a few different settings. I'm actually going to bring one of these feet up front to show you. You can see this is what it is, like this. This plugs in the back. Look at how easy it is to change the feet. Just push that out. You can even do it while it's in there. And all three of these feet come with the machine. So speaking of echo, come on over here and check this out. So you have three different modes. You just click the button 1. You have straight stitch or zigzag. You can change the length. You can change the width. There's number 2. That's the continuous mode. And 3 is the basting mode. You can also raise the height of this foot because maybe you're working on a big quilt, right? Now these icons up here are the part that really makes it fun. So I'm going to click on this. You can pick whatever color you want. Again, you have a ton of these different colors. Let's just choose red. I'm in a red mood. See what shows up here.
Fabulous.
All right, now let's hit the projector button, which is still in the same place as we showed you with the other. And then you have all of these options. So you have the main options, and then you have the sub options. Go in here, you might notice a few new things. Of course, we still have the grid. And then as I hit this, it'll go on and off because I'm changing what size it is. Look at that. Much.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool?
That's one of the best features I've ever seen.
Okay, and I got 2 more on there for you. I can't leave you with just that. There's this, and look at all those. No, that's not the grid. There's actually a grid too.
Show him the grid, Angela. That,
I know, and you can make the grid bigger, smaller, whatever size you want. What about the angles? Okay, so that's because our projection area is so much bigger now. When I click on angle over here, come and check this out. There's angle.
So
There's
no
all the
chalk, no marking pens.
No,
No tape.
no tape. I'm a chalk person. I'm gonna.
Yeah, but you don't need it.
I know they might go out of business. May not buy that.
And we're fine with that.
And here you go. This. Yeah, we'll just buy the machine. Who needs chalk? Isn't that wonderful?
Very wonderful.
Yeah, so easy to use.
so much
And
faster to
basically, when you plug this in, it automatically turns on. You're good to go.
That is amazing.
So, Cindy, we were talking about. Oh, wait.
There's
Oh,
memory
look
in
what I
there,
just
too.
stepped on here.
There's 3 memories.
There is 3 memories.
yes, there's 3
memories in
memories
there.
for it. Yes.
That's what
So
3
if you have
memories.
settings set up, you've got 3 memory pockets for it.
Kind of like your seat in your car, right?
Yes,
1, 2,
yes, 1, 2, 3. My husband keeps punching mine in the wrong spot too.
You must be number 1, right?
I am number 1. It's my car. I am the best.
So whoever
Definitely.
owns this machine would have number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
though.
Yes.
they get all 3.
Get all 3.
Did you know the machine will talk to you?
No, yes, I heard that.
But I
Yes.
haven't heard it yet.
We haven't
Yes.
heard
Don't
the
worry,
voice.
you can turn it off if you don't
Okay.
want it, but it has many different languages. Cindy, I want Italian.
You're wanting the Italian guy again. I cannot get her off her Italian
Lynn, don't
guy.
take it personally.
So we can turn the voice guidance on or on simply by toggling this little switch right here. We can change our voice by touching change. These are our languages that we can choose. Let's give Angela her Italian guy today. There we go. Play. Oh.
Benvenuto e buon viaggio nel mondo di cucitura, raccontature e ricami.
So if you want to learn your instructions in Italian, there you
Sure,
go.
I'll do that every day of the week. I'll do that.
Your A is
Should we order pizza or pasta? A little wine with our sewing, right?
your A voice is male, your B voice is female. Okay.
I'm talking
So,
A.
and you can preview them to see if you like them.
And enjoy your journey of sewing, quilting, and embroidery.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Oh my gosh, they're kicking us out.
But if you're
There's so many more features.
Well, we have to
I
wrap
know.
up this video, guys, but again, like Angela just said, there's so many features. This is just the tip of the iceberg of this brand new Brother Aveneer. We cannot wait to show it to you in person in our store. We will have a launch soon.
Here,
and
would you
just
like a
please-
sleeve?
I would like a
we would
sleeve.
love a sleeve. Oh,
They
actually,
get,
that
you
would
know what
have to
though?
do a
If they
sleeve.
when they register their machine, they also get a master class, just like we did for the Luminaire,
Woohoo!
just like the Stellaire. Yes. So even double bonus.
And I think we should have
Don't
this
you
as one of the projects of the month, right?
Ooh, lovely.
That comes in your upgrade package.
Wait to see
Yes.
guys. LindaZ.com. Call us. Be with walk in the store. We'll
I want one other wine party.
yeah.
sleeve.
Yeah. We need 2 sleeves. We need 4 sleeves. All right. Thanks.
Happy
Bye.
sewing.